Endpoint registration process. Welcome to this tutorial where we will demonstrate the registration process of an endpoint in the Intel EMA web interface. Once an endpoint is registered, you will be able to manage it remotely. The registration process runs automatically once the Intel EMA agent is successfully installed on the endpoint. The endpoint will be listed in the endpoint group that was used to download the two agent installation files. If the endpoint is a vPro PC, the provisioning will be done automatically when the Intel EMA auto setup is enabled in the endpoint group profile. Step 1. Starting from home screen. We'll start the process by navigating to the home screen of your Intel EMA web interface. Step 2. Accessing endpoints. Click on the endpoints icon on the left sidebar to access the list of endpoints. You may need to select some filters to limit the number of endpoints that are shown. Refresh the web page with endpoints until it shows the endpoint that the Intel EMA agent is installed on. Step 3. Endpoint registration. Click on View for the endpoint. The General tab with detailed information about the endpoint will be shown. First of all, check if the Intel EMA agent is connected. If Intel Active Management Technology or Intel Standard Manageability is shown for hardware management capability, then you are dealing with a vPro PC. Once the Intel EMA agent is connected, the provisioning process will start when it is a vPro PC. You will see the following provisioning phases when you refresh the web page. Intel EMA is not provisioned and Intel EMA setup status is pending activation. Intel EMA is in client control mode or admin control mode, and Intel EMA setup status is pending configuration. Intel EMA is in client control mode or admin control mode, and Intel EMA setup status is provisioning completed. Finally, CIRA, client-initiated remote access, if selected in the EMA profile, should now be connected. Congratulations! Your endpoint is successfully registered in the Intel EMA web interface. Now that the endpoint is registered, you are ready to manage it remotely. Stay tuned for the videos showcasing the remote management capabilities of Intel EMA. Thank you for joining us.